Hello, welcome to my first After Effects tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to create a simple UI mockup for your UI design. Warning: do not skip the video, if you skip you will miss some important parts. For this tutorial make sure you watch the designing video that I uploaded on my channel. If you watched it, then well done. Let's get started. Play your UI. Then press Ctrl G to record it. After finishing the recording, go to the directory to see where the file is saved. Then open your After Effects. Wait for a moment, let's give it a little time to load up. After completely load, create a new composition. Give it a name, keep the composition size to 1920 into 1080, and the frame rate is 30, and time is 10 seconds. Then drag the video into After Effects and leave it here. By dragging it will automatically import it in After Effects. Then select the video file and scale it down. You can use shortcut S. Then scale it down. After that, let's create a rectangle shape. And bring the shape layer all the way down. Then select the pen tool and create a shape just like I created. Give it a color. And bring the shape under the video layer. Let's create a composition with this two shape. Just follow me. Once you have done, let's move forward. Select the shape tool and press Q from the keyboard to change the shape type. Press Q and that will select rounded rectangle. Then click on toggle mask from the bottom section. And do just like I did. Then create another rounded shape rectangle. That will be a little bigger than the UI design. Give it a color. And bring it under the video layer. Select the new shape and click on Effect and Preset. Search for drop shadow. If you find it, drag the drop shadow and leave it above the shape. Then change your shadow color, size, opacity, distance and direction. That will create a cool shadow under your video layer. The video is looking slow because of my PC requirement. Well, it will be fixed during rendering. Always remember to save the file. For rendering, I am using Media Encoder. Media Encoder render your work faster than the default render. And Media Encoder will reduce the megabyte size of your work. After Effects will automatically import the file into the Media Encoder. Then you can change the setting from here. And then, the final journey. Click the play button and the render will start. After finish the rendering, check your video. Well, thanks for watching. Keep your support, do subscribe and give a thumbs up on the video.